Alright everybody, so this is going to be an unboxing video for the Milwaukee M12 fuel hacksaw kit. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, like the intro stated, it's going to be an unboxing of the M12 fuel hacksaw recip saw kit 2520-21 X-Ray Charlie. On the side, before we unbox it, it says specification: stroke length 5/8, SPM 0 to 3000, which is strokes per minute. LED light, yes. Fuel gauge, yes. Length and tool weight 13.25 inches, and it's 4.1 pounds. This kit includes the hacksaw recip saw, an XC 4.0 battery, M12 charger, and a contractor bag. Looks like the box is a little bit damaged on the side. Box is empty. Okay. I do really like their bags, as well as I really like that everything's in the bag and they just put the bag in the box. Battery information for the charger, not battery information. Well, yeah, it does. It has information for batteries on here as well as the charger, and the information guide for the hacksaw, and a little M18 M12 guide with the tools. Here's one M12 4.0 XC. Here is the M12 charger with the you can win tools. As well as the hacksaw. And just a divider. I'm going to throw the divider away. What was that? Oh, and a short, stubby looking little Milwaukee hacksaw blade. Bag is empty. Get the bag out of her way. Here is the hacksaw. Shows on here cat number 2520-20. There's the charger, tool, and a battery, and the bag. So let's do these real quick. So this is everything that came in the kit, including the instructions and the information. That's just a quick little unboxing. I'm going to, as well, we're going to put this 4 amp hour on the tool and see what the battery power is. Came with 2 bars. That's what it sounds like when it's running. So it's got definite 2 bars. And technically I already unboxed the batteries, but this kit technically came with 2 batteries because I got the 4 amp 4.0 that came in it, not 4 amp, my bad. And this 6. That's basically what I got with the kit, technically. But there's no unboxing for those because I already unboxed them. So, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!
Yeah.